Module Overview. Module 8 delves into the fundamental building blocks of melody, harmony, and musical structure. Intervals. An interval is the distance between two pitches, measured in steps or half steps. This module provides a thorough investigation of interval types, qualities, inversions, and their theoretical and practical importance in music theory and notation. Understanding intervals is essential for deciphering scales, chords, harmonic progression, melodic construction, and advanced compositional techniques. 1. Definition and importance of intervals. 1.1. What is an interval? An interval is the distance in pitch between two notes, which can be measured melodically, notes played successively, or harmonically, notes played simultaneously. Intervals define the relationships between notes and form the basis of scales, chords, and harmonic progression. 1.2 Role of intervals in music. Constructing scales, major, minor, modal, chromatic, relies on specific interval patterns. Chord structures and quality depend on the stacking of intervals. Melodic contour and phrasing are shaped by intervallic movement. Intervals govern harmonic tension. Res. 2. Classification of intervals, numeric and qualitative. 2.1 Numeric classification, size. Intervals are named by the number of letter names they encompass, including both the start and end notes. 2.2 Qualitative classification. Quality intervals also have a quality, which describes the exact pitch distance within the numeric category. Perfect, P. Unison, fourth, fifth. Octave intervals can be perfect, diminished, or augmented. Major, M. Seconds, thirds, sixths. Sevenths can be major, minor, diminished, or augmented. Minor MBM. One semitone smaller than the major counterpart. Diminished, D. One semitone smaller than perfect or minor intervals. Augmented, A. One semitone larger than perfect or major intervals. 4. Interval inversion. 4.1 Concept of inversion. Inversion flips an interval so that the lower note becomes the higher note or vice versa. The qualities and numbers invert according to specific rules. Interval numbers add up to 9, e.g. third inverts to sixth, 3 plus 6, 9. Quality inversions. Perfect, perfect major, minor augmented, diminished, far, 0.2. Practical implications. Inversions are critical for chord construction and voice leading. For example, a major third interval inverted becomes a minor sixth, altering the chord's sound and function. 5. Compound intervals and their usage. Intervals larger than an octave, e.g., ninths, tenths, elevenths, are called compound intervals. They are common in extended chords and melodic leaps. Compound intervals can be reduced to their simple interval equivalents for analysis, e.g., a ninth is an octave plus a second. 6. Intervals in context. Harmonic and melodic function 6.1. Harmonic intervals. Played simultaneously, harmonic intervals define chord quality and dissonance consonants. Perfect intervals, unison, fourth, fifth, octave, tend to be consonant, while seconds, sevenths, and tritones are dissonant or tense. 6.2. Melodic intervals. Played successively, melodic intervals shape contour and phrasing. Small intervals, steps, tend to be smooth. Larger intervals, leaps, add excitement or tension. 7. Application in scales, chords, and tonal harmony. Understanding intervals is key to building scales and modes. Chord construction relies on stacking intervals, mostly thirds. Intervallic relationships govern voice leading, tension, and resolution. Summary and learning outcomes. Upon completing this module, you will be able to identify and classify intervals by number and quality with precision, calculate semitone distances, and recognize interval qualities in written and oral contexts, perform interval inversions and understand their theoretical significance, Apply interval knowledge to build scales, chords, and analyze harmonic function. Utilize intervals in compositional and improvisational settings to create melodic and harmonic interest. Slide